Free Fire, the battle royale game that's taken the world by storm. With its unique gameplay, exciting features, and massive player base, Free Fire has become a gaming phenomenon. But how much do you really know about this popular game? Let's count down 10 fascinating facts about Free Fire, starting with Number 1. Free Fire was produced by 111 Studio, a talented team of developers who brought this gaming sensation to life. Number 2. Bermuda, the game's map, is actually based on a real-life island. That's right, the game's developers drew inspiration from the beautiful island of Bermuda to create the game's unique landscape. Number 3. Free Fire was heavily influenced by another popular battle royale game, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, or PUBG. Number 4. The game's emote feature was actually inspired by Fortnite. Who knew? Number 5. Free Fire has over 100 million active users, making it a gaming community powerhouse. Number 6. The game is available in over 30 languages, making it accessible to players all around the world. Number 7. Free Fire wasn't always called Free Fire. Its old name was Free Fire Battlegrounds, before being shortened to simply Free Fire. And there you have it, 1 to 7 fascinating facts about Free Fire. Subscribe for more such fact videos.